What's the meaning of active service? Active service. Active service. Active service. Active service. Active service. Active service typically refers to the period of time when a person is actively serving in the military or another branch of national service. During this time, individuals may be deployed to various locations around the world and perform duties such as combat missions, peacekeeping operations, and humanitarian aid missions. The result of active service can vary depending on the individual and their experiences, but it often involves a profound sense of duty, sacrifice, and pride in serving one's country. Some individuals may also struggle with physical and mental health issues that can arise from the stresses of active service.